Happy birthday to you.
Hey, Dean and Grant, we'd just like to convey our good wishes to you guys on your 50th birthday. Can't believe my young baby brothers are reached the half century. You've both batted a good innings, and we wish God blesses you with many, many more years and blesses us with a couple of lotto winnings that we can come over there and join you, Dean and Estelle. And Grant, of course, we don't need the lotto. We'll just join you on the plot and make fires and braai and enjoy each other's company. So guys, please have a fantastic time. God bless. We love you lots, and may it be an awesome experience for both of you. Thanks a lot, eh? Bye.
Baie geluk julle twee, geniet dit baie.